southern Campbell County, northeastern Pendleton County, southern Claremont County, and southwestern Ohio, until 9 p.m. At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Richmond, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Richmond, Felicity, Mentor, Moscow,